Most of the DFW area now officially in drought. That's kind of the lighter shade of tan that we have there. So the only parts that aren't are just far eastern Collin County, far northern Collin County, far southern Dallas County, parts of very, very small sliver of Tarrant County there. Rockwall County, a sliver of it in drought there. And then you have the step up from that severe drought for Fort Worth, northern Tarrant County, most of Denton County, the Frisco area, sliver kind of western Collin County, almost all of Wise County in that severe drought, and most of eastern Parker County in that severe drought as well. And as we expand the view, the worst of the situation definitely kind of from DFW to the west, and even have some extreme drought sneaking up into the Hamilton area and even into portions of Comanche County there. And as we expand the view across the state, it gets even worse the farther south you go. Some exceptional drought, which is as worst as it gets, kind of in the San Antonio area, and then off to the northwest there and in and around Austin. It's been very dry as well, where they're dealing with extreme drought. Drought's creeped up back into the Texas coast and down kind of into the Beaumont area as well. So what's that done for our local lakes? Well, it's meant that they have dropped across a lot of the area. The last time I did a lake level update, I just updated these today. Some places have gone down by, 1.5 to 2 feet just because of the summer heat and the evaporation. Texoma's high, Cooper's high, Tawakoni's where it should be, Lake Fork's just a little bit low, Cedar Creek is 1.5 feet low, Richland Chambers is 1 foot low, Waxahachie's 3 feet low, Whitney's 6 feet low, Granbury's only 1/2 foot low. But then look at Proctor, Brownwood, and Leon. Proctor's 11 feet low, Leon's 8 feet low, Weatherford is 8.5 feet low. Possum Kingdom had filled back up with some of that rain that we had back in June, but now is 1/2 foot low. Arrowhead 6.5 feet low, and Lake Graham is 3.5 feet low. And look at Hubbard Creek, 9.5 feet low, and Palo Pinto's 8 feet low. So yeah, we desperately need some rain here in North Texas, and until we get it, fire danger is going to stay elevated, especially across the western half of the area. It's not zero elsewhere, but it is lower than the western half of North Texas because drought situation better across the eastern area, but things are dry in this area as well just because of the summer heat and just how hot it is. So I would exercise caution anywhere and everywhere in North Texas going forward with open flames and sparks, and there are quite a few burn bans in place that you can't do any burning of any kind. In the meantime, it's a warm evening. It's 91 outside at the moment. We will finally drop down out of the 90s here in the next hour or so, but then it'll be right back into the triple digits tomorrow. That's why we have a heat advisory in place. Those high temperatures or heat index values anywhere from around 103 to 109 tomorrow afternoon. The good news is most of you won't be dealing with too much of a heat index, but there could be some places that are actual highs or 104, 105, 106 tomorrow afternoon. Light winds and warm tonight, down to 80 as you start the day tomorrow, and then tomorrow for your Sunday, very hot and dry. We talked about the heat advisory. It's also another ozone action day. We had one of those in effect for today. 104 my high tomorrow. The record tomorrow is 106, so we're 2 off the record. But then on Monday, the record stays the same, 106, but we go to 105. And then on Tuesday, the record goes up a degree to 107, but my high is 106. So we're going to be in record territory the next few days. The second half of the week, those highs don't change too terribly much. They go, down by maybe a degree or two, but you can see those record highs jump up to anywhere from 108 to 110. So the second half of the week, I don't think we'll have record temps, but the next few days it's possible. And a glimmer of hope there at the end of the 10-day. Maybe a break from the triple digits, and maybe some rain chances coming back.
just 98, Maybe.
Maybe.
Pull out the parka.